Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, leave your comments, and please share these videos out. It would help me tremendously. Y'all, we didn't get a deal yesterday like everyone was hoping for. So this is what's new today. Nancy Pelosi has extended the deadline. You know, that 48-hour deadline that she set? Well, she didn't get her way with that 48-hour deadline, so now she's extending it. Now she says it wasn't a make or break deadline. It was just a deadline to get to the next step. What a way to backtrack. She says that she sees a deal that can be made by both parties. And both parties, she said, are serious about compromise. When did she get serious about it? Y'all, the Senate voted on a standalone bill yesterday, and just like everyone in the world already knew, except the mooch man, that it would be dead in the water. And it was dead in the water. But it was for the PPP money. Now today they will be voting on another bill, which is the skinny bill, $500 billion. And of course, it's going to be dead in the water also. Mark Meadows and Steve Mnuchin are still working today in hopes of getting an agreement by the weekend. We'll just have to wait and see. The Senate is telling, Mitch McConnell is telling everyone in the Senate not to negotiate on the new stimulus package. He says it will slow down the Supreme Court dealings. My theory is he's worried about if they negotiate a deal on the new stimulus package, the big stimulus package, it would hurt any chances of him getting a standalone bill. That's his main focus, to get those standalone bills, which everyone in the world except him knows will always be dead in the water. They will not happen. Y'all, if a standalone bill happens, I will be shocked, but I don't see a standalone bill happening at all. The mooch man just can't get it through his old thick skull. Y'all, this is what's happening today. I just wanted to make this fast video and let y'all know what's happening, and just know I love you all, and we will get through this with the grace of Jesus Christ. Y'all, please subscribe to my channel, watch the video that's popping up here now, and just know I love you all. Ciao.